How to deactivate Facebook highlight notifications by using the app only. It does not require any third-party apps, so it's a very quick and easy process. So if any of your friends tag you in their highlights and you get a notification of it, you can stop it by following these steps that I show you. All right. First, open the Facebook app and then go to your profile right here. Then you can open the settings at the top right here, or you can go down, click on settings and privacy and open settings. Once you're in your settings, you can scroll down until you find the preferences, and below the preferences you can see the notifications right here. Once you open the notification settings, you're going to go on the tag option, and once you're in here, you're going to turn off this batch mentions. So by doing this, people will not be able, well, the people will be able to tag you on their highlights, but you will not get any notifications from it. So that's a quick and easy way to stop the highlights notification on Facebook. Thank you for watching.